All right, so I'm at a really awkward position, but I'm going to demonstrate the auto rear view dimming for the wing mirrors here now. So this will work when the car is running and the headlights are on. So just looking at them, I guess normally, you'll see this is regular. You can see nice and clearly there. All good. So looks like a normal mirror, right? But let's just turn this on and have a look here. So you can see that darkening already. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shine this into the sensor there. So you can see how it changes to dimming. So I'll just turn that off, and that should slowly return to clear, which it's doing right now. And with it on, you'll see that dim, which is really cool. So it really does help to absorb the light, and you don't get blinded by any traffic coming up from behind you, which is awesome. So I'm holding the LED up to the glass sensor now, and that's making it really, really dark. So you can see that in the evening, or when there's, not much ambient light, that's really going to block out a lot of the oncoming headlight traffic coming up from behind you. So I'll turn it off again, and you'll see that fade away to clear again. So there it goes. You can see that it's fading away. I've turned the sensor off. So it doesn't really take that long to react, which is great. And I'll do the other side just so you can see another demonstration of it. So again, I'll press the button on, shine that in there, and you can see that's starting to change, which is pretty awesome. And I think that's going to be the darkest that it's going to get at this time of the day, but even there, it kind of makes a big difference. Like if I'm shining this light into this glass here, with that turned off, that actually blinds me, but with that sort of fully dimmed like that, the reflections really are being absorbed by that dimming feature, which is great. So one more time, just zoom right in there on that. Looks pretty cool, hey? After installing the memory auto dipping curb view mirror motor, I totally forgot to include how it works. Sorry about that. To see how auto dimming and auto reverse dip is installed, follow the link in the video in the top right hand corner or at the end of this video. Once the auto reverse dip mirror position is set, all you need to do is remember to have the mirror control selected to the passenger side or curb side wing mirror. When you select reverse gear, the mirror automatically dips to show the wheel arch to ground area, which gives you a really good idea of the car's space next to the curb. Go ahead and do your perfect reversing maneuver. After this, there's nothing else to do but drive off, and the mirror automatically raises to the driving position. So it makes it really, really easy. There are more Audi TT videos popping up, but first of all, make sure to like and subscribe for more future Audi content. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.